HotelSpa Curves Luxury Soaps/Shampoo/Lotion Modular Design Shower Dispenser System. Pack of 2 Curves Luxury Soaps/Shampoo/Lotion Modular Design Shower Dispenser System. Declutter your shower with these liquid soap dispensers. Each dispenser holds soap, shampoo, lotion, or conditioner in its large, clear reservoir, dispensing Wenko Easy Squeeze-e Washing, Refillable Dish Liquid and Hand Soap Kitchen and Bathroom, Countertop Dispenser. A modern and functional addition to your kitchen or bathroom, practical it at the press of a button. Included, 2 dispensers, 2 double-sided adhesive strip, 2 sets of 2 anchors and 2 screws. To use, the manual soap dispenser for the sink allows quick access to hand soap or other liquids by squeezing the silicone dispenser, in order to get the desired amount of soap or lotion without spilling or leaking afterwards. Spectrum Diversified Hexa Sponge and Brush Kitchen Organizer with refillable soap pump, sponge, and dish. Easy clean sink organization and dish brush holder with removable base, clear, and grey. Innovative Hexology. Hexa makes your sink cleaner and more efficient. This sink organizer features a built-in soap pump and a tall compartment with a base made of open hexagons to encourage air and water flow for quick drying and easy cleaning.